Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to buy and sell right here on Ctrader. If you want to buy, first of all, what we're going to do is we have two options, all symbols or watch list. But let's go to all symbols to search for something that we want to trade. So let's search right now for BTC to US dollars. So right now we double click on it and now we are having right here the chart of Bitcoin to US dollars. Then right now what we're going to do is we do right mouse click, place new order, and then right now you see right here or order selection, and now we can start creating or sell a order. So what we're going to do right here is we click first on buy, select right here how much we want to buy. So let's say we want to buy one lot, or you can decide right here what you want to do. Now let's say we want 0.02 lots, that is fine for now. Then what you can do is also put a stop loss or a take profit on it if you want to do that. And then right now it's very simple. If you just click right here on place order, we created or sells a order. So now you see right here that we created or sells a nice order, and this is how you can buy. If you want to sell, we do exactly the same. Place new order, click here on sell, select right here how much lots we want to step in with. And then after that, we click right here on place order. And then we also created or sells a position for sell. So this is how you can buy and sell right here on Ctrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.